My name is Dianne Richardson. My official title is Socio-Economic Manager, but that doesn't really mean much to people. And what it's really about is looking at the issues and problems that both the community and Balfour Beatty have, and how we can come up with mutual solutions where we both bring our strengths to the table to make things work. If you look at things like businesses complaining about youngsters coming out not ready for work, we will be looking at doing a lot of work with schools to try and get all those things that we talk about as businesses: teamwork, communication. We have a lot of expertise in the business and we bring that to the schools to try and solve problems like that. We then look at things like, are there barriers to local people getting jobs within the nuclear industry? And we look at that and work with various community organisations to try and remove those barriers wherever we can. I find Balfour Beatty, when it comes to equality and diversity, there's a genuine concern about trying to do better when it comes to things like gender equality. I mean, we work in an industry, construction and nuclear industries, where frankly the percentages of women working on these teams aren't good enough, and we know that. And at Balfour Beatty we're very, very keen to do something about it. There's a lot of conversations going on about what do we really do. The thing with Balfour Beatty is we're a very practical company. You know, we build stuff, we're very practical, and that's the approach that we're taking when it comes to equality and diversity. I love working in Cumbria. You get a quality of life there that is completely different to living and working in the city. I will be driving on roads where every corner you turn is a picture postcard, wow, look at the view kind of experience. And I think in terms of safety for children, bringing children up, in terms of leaving work and being able to do stuff. If you're into climbing mountains, walking around lakes, you can be there very quickly. You've time to do that on a summer's evening. You can walk around Whitehaven Harbour, which is absolutely glorious, and that attraction to the sea that we all have. But then you're only an hour away from Carlisle, which is the city in Cumbria, or Penrith, an hour away from the motorway, so you've still got that access to things. I would definitely recommend people to look at careers in Balfour Beatty. They are a really good company to work for. I think nowadays we're looking for more than just getting paid a wage. We're looking for employers that benefit the local community and work with the local community, that look after their employees, and Balfour Beatty do all of that.